Tired of food sticking to your pan? Fed up with clutter in your cabinets? Well, I've got the solution. Hi, Kathy Mitchell here with my new red copper square pan. The newest technology in non-stick, made with ceramic and super strong copper. My pan is a skillet, fryer, roaster, baking pan, and lots more. These high sides prevent splatters, perfect for browning my country ribs. Now just simmer in a can of soda, top with barbecue sauce, and serve up this mouth-watering meal. It's non-stick, so you never scrub. The square design gives you up to double the cooking space to fit more food. And it's oven safe. Bake fresh bread for about $1 a loaf, or the thickest lasagna. Everything wipes right out. Infused with pure copper, and thanks to anti-scratch technology, resists the toughest punishment. These aluminum rings ensure even heat for no hot spots. Go ahead, brown meatballs, add in broth, milk, and noodles, and in 20 minutes, Swedish meatballs to feed the whole family. And no sticking ever. Add this basket, and now it's a deep fryer. Make golden crispy fish and chips, or even tempura. Just dip your vegetables, lightly fry for green bean fries so crispy and delicious your kids will beg for seconds. Plus, it's perfect for pasta. Cook, drain, and serve all in one pan. Sticky red candies? Not in this pan. Even a melted cup is no match.